Okay, vi skal til at kigge noget på lidt rigging, udover det vi kiggede på i går.
We're doing it in Danish.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. So I'll show you two possible ways of quickly generating a character that you can work with. There is one option which is Autodesk's character generator. It is free for low resolution characters, which is fine for just working on animation. The other one is something that is on preview release right now from Adobe. It's called fusecc preview, and I'll show you both. Character generator requires you to have an Autodesk account, and if you downloaded the student version, you obviously have one. So hopefully I have one as well. Maybe. Yes, something happened. Okay. So in here you can create a design, a character design, and then you can generate characters. And generated characters can be downloaded. So I'll go back to design and create a new. So I get the option of, you can see this little blue thing means that paying customers only. So I'll grab the standard one, which is this one. Then I can choose different facial styles, either for women or men. Yeah, I'll go with this one. He looks nice and friendly. And then I can just go customize. And we have this system that is a little bit funny, where you have like one type and another type, and you can sort of blend between them. And then you can choose that if you want a different type, then you can drag that up there, and it will blend between those two. Just has to think about it. Yeah, that's good. If you have the full version, you can do a lot more stuff in here. Then you can change things like skin tones. He's been buried for a few days, I guess. Eye color. Ooh. And this all runs in the web browser. That's why it's a little bit on the slow side. Here, just go with this one here. So it applies that one. Go gadget. Then let's move on to the body. And the body is the same thing as the face. You can take these different presets and then use that as an option to, oh, he looks real sexy. You can use that as a preset for this blending mode. Good luck. And then we move on to clothing. And let's go with this thing here. That is the shirt. This is all generated on a server somewhere in Autodesk land. So that's why it's a little laggy. And then we need to find some pants. This looks really good. And obviously you can add shoes as well. I could give him a skirt. Maybe he needs a skirt. Ooh.
Wow.
I think it's yeah. That's good. Yeah, Britney Spears. Yeah, good. Very good. Anyway, finish, and then I can name it. There you go. And then it appears here. And it's thinking, and so somehow I used something that was a premium thing, so I would need to purchase it to generate it. Let's just see if I can generate this anyway. If I set it to low, I can generate it even though it has some stuff. Geometry, I want quartz. We all like quartz. I can choose what types of texture I want, maybe normal map and specular map as well. If it's the paid version, I can get like facial expressions as well. And I want medium skeleton. I want it to be wire orientation. I want it to be generic FBX. Maybe I want the Maya version as well. And I go generate. What a specular map is, it's a texture map that defines where on the surface you will have shininess. Let's see. A typical example of where to use a specular map would be something like, for instance, a stained window, or maybe a car that is not very clean. It will still be shiny in some parts and dusty and mucky in other parts. So you can control the shininess of the surface with the specular map. The normal map controls sort of like the illusion of the surface having more detail than it actually has. It's something that is used a lot in games. So yeah, you'll see in a few seconds when we have generated it. So it's thinking a little while. Boom, 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 ba-dum, boom. So while it's thinking, I can just start up this other thing. You should be able to download this from Adobe. It's called the fusecc, and it's very similar to the character generator. It's also slightly laggy at times. So it should start anytime now. So this is also a character generator, sort of the same idea. Here, so you can see again we have sort of like a head. So maybe grab this one. So this is a cartoony head. Then I can define a body style. Maybe we want like this thing here. That looks really good. And we can choose leg style and perhaps some arms as well. Teeny weeny head. That looks brilliant. Then I can move on. And then there is like these to control things like biceps, triceps, arm size. Oh, that looks good. How long the upper arm versus forearm is. There, Popeye. Length of fingers. You can also click the randomize if you like. Let's see, there. Facial controls. Starts to look quite weird. So, there we go. this looks good. Then we go on to clothing, same sort of thing. I really need to be in clothing design. Shoes. So there we go. This we can do other things as well. Sideburns. Oh, this looks so good. So there's a lot of it, and we can move on to texture, and we can like choose things in here. Anyway, I'll just yeah, this thing is done. So I'll pop to generated characters. Just minimize this for a second. There we go. And then I'll scroll down. It's down here, and I can click the download button. And oh, this one would cost 5 credits. Ah, god damn it. I don't have... Okay, I have unlimited credits, so it's no problem. I have no idea why. So, it should start downloading this in a second. There we go. So it will download this. So I'll just make this fuse thing in the meantime. So I think this is more or less what I want. So I can go to File, and I can go Export as an OBJ, and export a new folder. Everything should be good. Click OK, and I will I'll just save it here and call it, put it in this one and call it Weird Girl. There we go. Save. So it should export that now. There we go. Let's just have a look at what that looked like. This was not the folder. Was it this one? Yes, I think it was, wasn't it? No, this was from the other day. Where did I put it? Let's just see. Export. Okay. Fuse model. Okay. Okay. There we go. It's in here. So we have the OBJ file, and we have all of the textures, and of course there is the color map for the character: face, hands, feet, chest, legs. This is the specular map. So this is the gloss map. So you can see where it's white, it will be more shiny. So in this case, it will be more shiny on the lips, and apparently he has greasy ears or something.
It kind of looks like okay, there's this thing like you could download custom content for games, right? And the skins created like...
Yeah, exactly. This is a normal map. So this is what's used for making the illusion of the character or the model having more detail. So it's using the red and green color channel to show how the vectors has to be warped on the surface. And you can see there's a lot of these things. Oh, anyway. We have the one from the character generator as well. So let's just pop in there, which is this thing here. And you can see it's the same thing. We get the file and we get the color maps. So just need to expand that, I guess. Now let's just start with this girl. So just open Maya, go to File, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Thinking. I think it's because it's recording. It's sort of like a, there we go. Open scene. Chicken, fuse model, girl, object, open. Save. And in a few seconds, there we go. We have this. And if I then press 6 or turn this one on, I will get the textures as well. So there we go. This looks really good. As you can see, this one is only the geometry. There's no skeleton in this one. So we would have to do that on our own. Let's just group this and hide it. Oh, there. And then we'll get the other one. 1 second. Whoops. There. Open to there. And it wasn't there. It was, there we go. And then we just need to bring that in. There we go. Oh, he looks good. And in this case, you can see that there is also a skeleton for this thing. So he's actually ready for action. So if we go into the skeleton here, we can choose the joints and just start moving it around. So that's the advantage of the Autodesk one. Oh, he should probably do like this. There we go. Sort of like a zombie thingy. But you get the idea. Either download the Fuse thing or try charactergenerator.autodesk.com and then try and make your own character. And then we'll move on to actually making that work. There we go.